Hi there, sexy chooms. This video is about a hobby of mine, mechanical keyboards. Please note that I have no plans of starting a keyboard channel. This is just a video I wanted to record as I would write a page in a diary. Today we will talk about my office keyboard, the Keychron V6 Max Iso. Here are the specs. Switches are stock Gateron Jupiter Banana, but I lubed them to get rid of their ping noise. Keycaps are from AliExpress, YMDK Miami, OEM profile, double shot PBT. Golden knob from Keychron. Full foam mod, tape mod, and Teflon mod on stabilizers wires. I chose the V6 Max because it's a decent mechanical keyboard by my standards. Easy disassembly, hot swappable switches, via QMK compatible. QMK is an open source program you can use to configure your keyboard. On top of that, the V6 Max can use 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, wired mode, and its ABS plastic case doesn't make it too heavy, about 1 kg. You can guess that the case was filled with some foam, it doesn't sound hollow. Here are the two integrated wireless dongles. You can see the USB-C port, the Windows macOS switch, and the connection switch, wired, 2.4 wireless, and Bluetooth. Disassembly is very easy with 8 screws. You have to pull the knob out and then you can remove the top cover. I put some paper that I soaked in essential oil because I like my keyboard to smell of eucalyptus. Please, don't judge me. Keycaps can be easily removed as well as switches. You can see the tape mod behind the PCB and some foam. Now you can see the core sound deadening foam I put in the case, and the battery. Here are some sound tests. In conclusion, the Keychron V6 Max is a decent entry-level 100% keyboard for the office. You can get it brand new for about 110 to 130 euros or for 80 euros second-hand. Generally, Keychron V series can be easily improved with some basic mods, especially around the stabilizers and the foams, though you might grow a taste in clacky keyboards later. Keep in mind that with a 150 euro budget, you can get much better keyboards, but they will be 75% form factor most likely. Mid-tier 96% or 100% custom keyboards will cost about €250 to €400, which makes this V6 Max not a bad deal. See you and enjoy your keyboards!